Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts is going to teach a technique from his karate style.
Right. So in an earlier video, we talked about neutral position. Okay. But I wanted to bring in a little bit more on that. In a lot of karate styles, we talk about, like say for a downward block, Gedanbarai, which I know I butchered the pronunciation of, they're talking about chambering and then blocking. Or for Reiken, it's chambering and then striking. Well, in my style, it's different. This isn't the block. This is the block. So we're coming into neutral position. It can also be a counter strike. And if his kick was to come up, I have this hand protecting it.
So if I round kick's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm here.
Yeah. Can I throw out a little more? Sorry,
yeah.
I saw it.
Okay.
So front kick again.
Okay. I missed it, but I came to the inside of it.
Uh-huh.
So I didn't sweep it, but I came to the inside and he hit me here.
Yeah.
Right? So
it was just short, yeah.
Yeah. So and that's fine too. If I can do that even better, because I can spin it. Okay. So that's how we would use it. Just this would be our block, or this would be our block. If he's coming in with a jab, it's here. And I would follow it up, or follow it up, or follow it up. Okay. Okay, and here I've also got my chin knot, which we're going to get into now.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's also a counter strike in that instead of this one just being down here doing nothing, covering my groin, yes, but otherwise not doing much, I can actually come in to the hip.
Oh, interesting. Jeb?
So there's a lot of that going on with it, where it's not so much chamber to get power to block.
See that?
See, now here, not so much. I missed. It's there, but I was slow. There, I'm using it that way. I would be better off going to my other neutral position. Okay, and that's kind of one of the things with it. You have to be able to do it on both sides. Even though my left foot is forward, I have to be able to do it. This is the natural side. I need to be able to do it here too.
Right.
Okay. And then also as a counter,
we
can come
again?
up. Yeah.
Perfect.
And I come up. So it's a little bit like the Wing Chun movement, but this is the karate way.
Right.
Okay. So it's coming down. I'm suppressing to get it out of my way, coming up, clearing.
So you're hitting with a back fist.
Yeah.
Now that's Lopsao.
I think it's called Lopsao.
In Wing Chun.
Yeah.
So if I go fast with that, cross, and then there it is. Fantastic. Is there any other counters for the rear hand on that? But that feels like the most natural one.
That's the most natural
That is
one.
natural. That is natural. That falls right into it.
But we also come up into our.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, and that doesn't have to come in this way. That can just be.
Oh.
I'm trying a jab or a cross because
You do a joint lock punch.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. I wish you could feel that. That is impressive, actually. Because that's just like, he barely did it, and I could feel my elbow just tweaking out.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then if I've got control of it at that point, then I can do whatever I want.
Oh, yep. Oh, right.
I'm right there.
Double stomp the groin.
Yep, double stomp the groin. If I don't want to go for the groin, I can go for a knee stomp.
Can you show that one more time, that knee stomp? That is cool. So I'm here, and he's locking me up. It's right there. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
See, a lot of people, when we're in martial arts situations, we're taught to kind of, some martial arts, keep in mind, like poorly taught, you think that you can just grab somebody's punch.
Yeah.
Like, I'm going to be able to grab it.
Do that.
That's not the way this is working. I'm actually missing, and he's just getting it. See, I'm just sliding over his shoulder.
Yeah.
He's just letting the natural process happen. That's what's so different than a grab, really. You're grabbing, but you're really not. You're just letting it slide there.
It's a slip. If I just slip, I'm just doing that, just like we did earlier.
Yeah.
But your hand's right there.
Yeah.
It's just right there.
It's just there.
And mine is just right there. The two meet, and it's like a match made in heaven.
Yes.
And then I can just come out like I'm trying to do a cross, and I've got that elbow.
Yeah, that is impressive. Definitely check that move out. I know a lot of you have been asking for more chin-on techniques, and we're going to go into some more chin-on techniques on the next videos as well.